In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your schedule with Outlook Calendar and Monday.com. This process will streamline your workflow and save you time by ensuring that your Outlook Calendar and Monday.com boards are always in sync. Let's jump right in. First, open your Monday.com workspace. Once you're in, head over to the board where you want to set up the integration. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a puzzle icon labeled Integrate. This is your gateway to the Integration Center, where you can manage all the automation magic. Click on this icon and a new world of possibilities will unfold. Inside the Integration Center, use the search bar to find Outlook. Monday.com offers several ready-made automations, also known as recipes, that you can utilize. These automations are designed to simplify your scheduling tasks. Some examples include creating an event in Outlook when a date arrives, generating a board item when an event is created in Outlook, or updating an event in Outlook when a date changes. Skim through these options and select the one that best complements your workflow. Remember, you can add more than one recipe later if it suits your needs. Now let's move on to connecting your Outlook account to your Monday.com. You'll be prompted to click Connect. Doing so will guide you through a simple sign-in process with your Microsoft account, specifically the one tied to your Outlook calendar. You'll need to grant permissions from Monday.com to access and manage your calendar events. This is crucial for the integration to work seamlessly. With your account connected, it's time to configure your automation. Begin by selecting the board column that contains your desired dates or deadlines. Next, if you have multiple calendars in Outlook, choose the specific one you want to use. You'll then map the event details to your board. For instance, link the title of your calendar event to the item name on your board, sync the description with the notes column, and match the event's date to the due date column. This step ensures that all relevant information is smoothly transferred between platforms. Finally, it's test time. Create a test item in Monday.com and include a date to see if it automatically appears on your Outlook calendar. Give it a few seconds, and voila! Await its magical presence on your calendar. Additionally, try changing the date on your Monday.com board. You should notice the calendar event update accordingly, proving that your automation is set up correctly. And there you have it. You've automated your schedule with Outlook Calendar and Monday.com, reducing manual entry and helping you manage your time more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more productivity tips.